There are two types of people. Something goes wrong. A pipe is leaking, the Wi-Fi isn't working, the car battery is dead. One type goes,
No, no, no!
this is how it ends. The other just goes, no panic, no dramatic Google searches, just staring at the problem like it's in Lego instructions. So what's the difference? It's not intelligence, it's not confidence. And no, they're not built different. They have one thing you might not have yet. It's called self-efficacy. Fancy word, simple meaning. I've handled things before, so I can probably handle this. That's it. And here's the part nobody tells you. This doesn't come from motivation. It comes from small, kinda stupid wins. Like, you hit the router, Wi-Fi comes back, you restart your laptop, suddenly you're tech support, you fix one tiny thing, and it works. And your brain goes, wait, we can do that? That moment changes everything. Because now problems don't feel like threats. They feel like annoying little side quests. Like, congrats, you unlocked a problem. But if you never had those moments, every problem feels like, yep, this is the end. Some people think, I can do something about this. Others think, this is happening to me. Same situation, different brain, different outcome. Guess who freezes faster? Yeah. But here's the twist. A lot of fixer people, they're not calm. They're just panicking in a useful direction. They learned early, if I don't fix it, nobody will. So now they fix everything, even things you didn't ask them to fix, especially those. Relaxing? Not really an option. But then there's the other type, and they're different. They don't fix things because they have to. They fix things because it's interesting. They'll fix something, and then take it apart again just to understand it better. For them, broken to working is entertainment. And if you spend enough time around people like that, something shifts. You start thinking, wait, maybe I can try too. So if you're the first type right now, this isn't a personality flaw. You're just low on reps. Your brain hasn't collected enough, I tried, it worked moments yet. And you don't fix that with confidence. You fix it with action. Small, messy, slightly awkward action. Tighten something. Make the call. Open the thing you've been avoiding. One small win. That's where it starts. Because the people you admire, they're not fearless. They just don't treat uncertainty like a final verdict. They treat it like, okay, my turn. By the way, if you aren't subscribed to this channel yet, fix that right now. Just hit the button. Let this be your first real action of the day, your first small win. I'll see you in the next one.